is our International 4700 medium duty wrecker. He's got some flashing lights there in the grill, HID headlights in the front. Ice there. See any damage here on the, no scratches or damage on the front hood. See just a little speck of rust there, nothing major. A little blemish here on the door. All the equipment in the toolbox does not come with it. Some of it will, but most of it will not come with the sale of the truck. The truck's still being in use. See, the hydraulics are on. That winch works fine. The winch near me here works just fine. So you can see the boom does go in and out. And then of course up and down. Your dolly bar brackets, dollies. It does have the both the scoops, strobes here in the rear taillights, all LED taillights all the way around. Wheel lift goes down just fine. We do not have the fork kit for the wheel lift. That does not come with it whatsoever, just the scoops. Rear tires, you can see they're really good there. They're like pretty much brand new in the rear. Brand new here as well. Simulators there. This spade, this here, but we do have a spade here for it. That's brand new. That, depending upon the sale price, the spade might go with the truck. The interior. See, it's got some signs of wear on the seats. The radio. Does have the overhead compartments for storage as well. This button here is for the strobe lights. We'll shut off the beacons and the work lights, and then that's your PTO button there. With your emergency brake. We'll go out for just a quick little drive here. All the temps are running fine, there's no problems there. Does blow nice warm heat. The AC does work in here. Does have power windows and locks over here, or power windows. The steering wheel's relatively straight, drives pretty nice and true down the road. See how fast, slowing down pretty good there. The brakes work just fine. The truck's got new rear brakes. I don't believe we've done anything with front brakes, but front brakes are fine. The truck needs nothing that I'm aware of, so if you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you very much.